Guys, I need to hear your best pissed off Chewbacca, please.
Go ahead.
Sounds like he has indigestion more.
He does. Can you do that again?
Amazing, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. It's always great to see you, Jennifer.
Yeah, she has to do it.
Oh, yeah.
Pissed off Chewie.
Oh, poor
Dude,
Jen.
don't look like that, dude.
You were done. You were out.
I know. The end was in sight. I'd pull you back. Tap the brakes, man. Tap the brakes. Boom.
Thanks, buddy. Appreciate that. My thanks to the cast of Once Upon a Time. A tradition, a Comic-Con tradition, as you guys well know. A couple years ago, you regaled us with a wonderful Chewbacca impression that people still tweet me about.
Can we have a revisit?
Yeah, have you been working on it?
It'd be weird if we didn't.
You've had a couple years to work on it.
Just a little.
I can't.
Is that a zombie from The Walking Dead?
That is truly the worst person. The worst.
I never said I could do it.
Look, she's got.
Made me feel like I'm incapable of.
She's in the Star Trek universe, not Star Wars universe. It's okay. Okay, but we do end with some.